Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Various beautiful treasures adorn it, whereon rest a pure ring of mountains. Their mines are of solid jewels. They're decorated with rose gold. Their light blazes throughout the 10 directions. Inside and out they shine, all pure and clear, made of masses of diamonds, also raining beautiful jewels. Their jewel atmospheres are unique and different, radiating pure light, beautifying everywhere. The fragrant rivers divide into streams of infinite hues, scattering flower jewels and sandalwood, with lotuses thickly blooming, light clothing spread, and rare plants abundantly growing, all of them aromatic. Countless jewel trees adorn everywhere, the colors of their blooming flowers radiantly bright. Various kinds of fine raiment are placed thereon, with clouds of light shining everywhere, all round and full. Countless, boundless, great enlightening beings, holding canopies, burning incense, fill the universe, each producing all wonderful voices, everywhere expounding the Buddha's true teaching. The trees of precious elements have branches of jewels, each jewel branch emitting light. Vairochana's pure body enters therein, causing all to see. In all the adornments are manifest Buddha bodies of boundless forms and countless numbers, all going to all quarters, reaching everywhere, the beings they teach also being limitless. All the adornments emit sublime sounds, expounding the circle of the Buddha's original vows. Buddha's independent power causes them to pervade all the pure oceans of lands there are. Then universally good also said, "The land within the surrounding mountains of this ocean of worlds is all made of diamond. Its stable, strong adornments cannot be broken. It is clean and level. It is fringed by precious stones and contains repositories of jewels. It is arrayed at intervals with all kinds of gems in the various forms of all sentient beings. It is strewn with jewel dust and spread with lotus blossoms, with jewels from fragrant mines placed among them.